Hello everyone, my name is Asfa Tariq and this is my submission for Clone Task 1 Responsive Layout and Typography. In this task, we were provided with wireframe as a guidance following the given specifications and content. I have developed a responsive website using HTML and CSS, ensuring that the website is fully functional or responsive across all screen sizes, that is desktop, tablet, large mobile phone and small mobile phone. This is my layout for desktop view. This is the technical breakdown for Clone Task 1 desktop view. So to place image or the logo in the center, I have used content just content center and have given the radius 50%, and I have given to give space between the heading, the navigation bar and top. Bottom and top I have used 50 pixel. For to display navigation in this form I have used flex box, and to give equal spaces between each navigation bar I have used justify content space between. Then for the erase tabs, it was given in the specification that the main heading should be much larger than the original heading. So to make this erase tab space heading larger, I have used font size 8.5 RAM, and I have aligned this in left side, and the other heading, this one, and in the specification was that it should be 3 times larger. To make it 3 times larger, I have used 25 pixel RAM. Then for the heading, I have used 3 EM, 3 RAM. Then for the main paragraph or the first paragraph, I have used font size 25 pixel, and to make them visible for the user or readable for the user, I have placed line height that is 30 pixel. Then for the main content of the web page, I have used 3 columns. Each column is separated by a 50 px column gap. For the paragraph, I have used JSON Sans, and to make it readable for the user, I have used 3 RAM, and I have displayed the heading in much larger font in 3 RAM. Then to display image in this form, I have used grid. To make image in full length and height, I have used height, and width I have used 100%, and object fit contain I have used template columns 8, and row I have used 4. For the first item, it is placed in first column till fifth column, and 1 to 5 fifth row. Then for the second item, I have used column 5 to 7, and first to fourth row. Then for the third image, I have used 7 by 9 column and 1 by 3 row. For the fourth column, I have used 5 by 7 column and 3 by 5 row. For the fifth item, I have used 7 by 9 for column and 3.5 for row. To display author on the right side and the text on the left side, I have used flexbox. The textbox direction I have chosen is row reverse, and for the author I have placed author on the right side with flex 1 and text on the left side with flex 2. Next, for the header portion, for the footer portion, I have used this background color with white text. Now let's view this in tablet form. So this is the tablet view of the same web page. This is the technical breakdown of the code for tablet view. Header and footer will remain same in all the views. So for this part right here, for the main header part, the heading I have, for the heading and a paragraph, I have used universal H1 and P element. For the heading, I have used font family Apertus Gorilla and a font size of 48 pixels. I want each and every heading to be in the center, so I have used a font size that is a font size of 48 pixels or 3 RAM. Next, for the paragraph, I have used font family Josephine Sans, and to make give equal lines height, I have used 1.5 to make it easier for the reader to understand. Then for the next same thing, I have used this section, I have used H1 and P paragraph universal element. Next, for these images, I have used grid layout to make them having equal length and equal height and width. I have used 100%. For the grid columns, I have used 4 columns. I haven't added any rows so that the rows acquire space as given in the code. So for the first image, I have given it first column, placed in first column and first row. For the second image, I have placed it in second column and first row. Then the third grid, I have placed it in for second column, first column and second row. The next image I have placed in third row and second column. Next, I do not want to add any fifth image, so I have used this code for display none. Next, for the author section, I have used flexbox. I have used flex direction reverse to reverse the order. That is, I want the image to be the left side and the text to be image to be right side and the text to be on the left side. So I have used for the M photo image of the author, I have used flex 1, and for the text I have used flex 2. Let's view it in large mobile. This is technical description for large mobile screen. So in this, for the other part, that is the header, footer, the main heading, and the body or the content, main content will remain same in large mobile and small mobile. In large mobile, I have used only 4 images to be displayed. To display images in full width and height, I have used 100% and height 100% and object with cover. Next, I want only 4 images. I don't want to display the 5th image, so I have used display none. For the outer section, I have used flexbox, and I have displayed it in the center by using display content center and text and align item center. For the author part, I have used a width of 200 pixel and a radius of 50%. So now let's view it in small mobile. The small mobile, the footer, header, the main paragraph, and everything will remain the same as in the large mobile, but the only changes will be in its padding and padding left and padding right.